Hello and welcome back. Customer support on WhatsApp is chaotic. Message comes in randomly, agent forwards screenshots, nobody knows who owns the conversations, and things get missed. ReplyDocs exactly fixes that problem by turning WhatsApp support into structured Slack workflows. Let me show you the new customer channel mode that we have introduced, where every customer gets their own dedicated Slack channel, not a thread, not a shared inbox, clean private channel. This means that customer history stays intact, internal collaboration stays organized, and the support team doesn't drown in mixed conversation. As you can see here, there is only one customer support channel, and we'll see the demonstration where ReplyDock adds a private channel for a customer conversation. So I'm going to send a new message from one of my demo WhatsApp accounts that I have set up. Hi there, I am not able to access my account since the morning. Okay, now the message has been sent. Let's go to Slack and see what is happening here. A new channel has been created for this new customer, and you can see that bunch of messages are coming here. The start of the conversation, then ReplyDock creating the channel, ReplyDock is adding the agent, and also the first message from customer. And lastly, a welcome message for the agent who has automatically joined this particular conversation. We just saw how ReplyDock handles incoming messages and automatically assign agents and create channels for them. There can be a scenario where you want to hand over a conversation from one agent to another. There could be multiple reasons for doing that, but one of the reason is agents shift being changed. In that case, ReplyDock can seamlessly hand over the conversation from one agent to another after the shift change. To control the agent assignment, we use Salesforce as system of record, and we call Salesforce API to fetch that information. To demonstrate this use case, I had created a couple of contacts and two agents were assigned to them. Now I'm going to change the agent for one of the contact. I'll just take another agent ID and update the agent ID in Salesforce for this particular contact. Okay, now the agent ID is updated. I will go and send a new message. Please note that this is an ongoing conversation and previously was handled by a different agent. The message has been sent. Now let's see what happens in Slack. You can see the channel is visible to the newly assigned agent. And it's not visible in the previous agent screen. And the new agent has the entire history of the customer conversation. Also, it gives a short notice that the previous agent has left the conversation and the message about new agent joining the conversation along with the new message that is received from customer. Now let's see how new agent replies to this particular customer. As soon as I send the message, the reply comes back to the same customer. You saw that different agent is handling the conversation, but the end customer has seamless experience that they don't even notice the change in the shift of agent or the agent itself. Now let's talk about how ReplyDock is able to call Salesforce and fetch the agent information along with the customer information. On the Salesforce connection page of ReplyDock, you have option to connect to your Salesforce organization, and there is REST API configuration section where you save custom REST Apex endpoint. it respond with the agent ID and the customer information. In that, you can handle the logic for agent assignments and other business scenarios. So if we see implementation of this particular class, it is basically querying lead and contact object to find the new customer based on the phone number. That is pretty much how customer channel mode works in ReplyDock, where each customer gets one dedicated channel for their conversation, and the entire history of the customer conversation is maintained in a single channel. As this is a private channel and only the people who are added are able to access the information. By default, ReplyDock will add only the agent which has been assigned as per the Salesforce response. But if needed, you can add more people to that and remove them accordingly. So, thanks for watching. That's it.